Inflation, fear, and or optimism. That's our topic for this morning's Backstage Pass. Good morning, I'm James Lopez, president at HomeFi Corporation. I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July weekend. Happy Tuesday. We're getting a little bit of a late start today to this week. Today is Monday, Tuesday, so let's jump right into it. Stocks are down sharply this morning. Mortgage bonds are up. We'll talk more about that in just a second, but really what's driving the markets right now is this inflation fear / optimism and global economic growth. That's what's driving the U.S. market and the global market in general. So if we rewind a little bit and go back to May 31st, we had some hot inflation data that came out, and that really started a selling spree globally in the bond market. Then the Fed came out on June 15th and said, hey, we're going to hike our Fed fund rate, and then we started to see some gains in the mortgage bonds. So as of today, mortgage bonds have almost all but erased the losses from the selling spree from the hot inflation data. And you can see if you look back over the 5 weeks, this inflation fear and global economic growth is really what's kind of driving the market right now. Now, as far as mortgage bonds specifically today, mortgage bonds are up 8 basis points. The 10-year yield is down about 8 basis points. That means mortgage rates will likely open a little bit better than better than where they were on Friday. But we don't see a lot of movement throughout the day today. As a matter of fact, mortgage bonds were up about 30 basis points whenever the markets opened, and they've come back off of that top level as they hit a technical level of resistance. Now, in housing news this week, today CoreLogic came out and released their appreciation data for the month of May. It showed that homes appreciated by 1.8% for the month of May and about 20.2% year over year for May. And that's down just a little bit from April, but it's still one of the highest readings in the 45-year history of that particular report. And it really echoes the FHFA data and Case-Shiller data that we saw last week. And that's all the news that we have for today. This week we have non-farm payrolls. That's a big news item, and it probably will be a market mover, so we're going to be watching that closely. That comes out on Friday. But until then, I hope you have a great day, a great week. Remember, stay positive. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll answer those questions for you. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.